Experience quiet country living just minutes to town. Situated on 5 private acres, this updated ranch home with a separate large shop has everything you need for enjoying a close-in country lifestyle. Living here, you're close to all of the amenities in Sherwood or Newberg. From the 2-stall barn to the expansive property and 40 by 36-foot shop, you have room for all of your animals and toys. The large Kumaru deck welcomes you home, overlooking the expansive horse pasture. From the vaulted ceilings to the LVP flooring throughout, this one-level home lives large. It's beautifully appointed with a gourmet kitchen featuring a large island, gas cooktop, and ample seating. Just down the hall, unwind in the primary suite with a large double-headed shower and elegant vanity. You'll find 2 more bedrooms with pastoral and forest views, plus another full bath. From this bonus space, head out to the private fenced yard backing to expansive acreage. The 2-stall barn also includes a tack room. The huge new shop features a power car lift, 220-volt power, and a full bath. The best of both worlds, tranquil country living with close-in convenience. You'll find it all here on Southwest Chehalem Station Road, and it's ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Vicki Gile with Premier Property Group.